Welcome to Quick Pick Stocks. The quick pick stock of today is Invesco MSCI Global Climate 500 ETF, ticker symbol KLMT. Founded June 26, 2024. Here is some information on Invesco MSCI Global Climate 500 ETF. Invesco MSCI Global Climate 500 ETF begins trading on the New York Stock Exchange with $1.6 billion in assets from Finnish pension insurer Varma. KLMT seeks to track the MSCI ACWay Select Climate 500 Index, which is an index comprised of securities of global companies that meet certain environmental and climate criteria relative to their peers, including a track record of reducing greenhouse gas and carbon emissions. The index is constructed by selecting the constituents from the market capitalization weighted MSCI ACWI Select Countries Index. Invesco Limited is a global independent investment management firm dedicated to delivering an investment experience that helps people get more out of life. For more information, visit Invesco.com. Reported source, PR Newswire. Until next time, quick pick stocks.